9:06 p.m. Listen to all the canaries here and the arborvitaes. They're saying goodnight to each other. And you literally will not believe how quiet it's going to be here in 2 minutes from now, after they say goodnight to one another. Good night, John Bird. Good night, Robbie the Robin. Good night, Suzie the Swallow. Well, folks, you can see now, 10 minutes later, listen to how quiet things are now. Just some birds off in the distance. But the condos are all closed up for the night. Hope you enjoyed this, everyone. Catfish Tyler, over and out.